75 and 74 down on this far end, Mike and Brett. Out there in the 70X out there, Mark, with a little problem with the bumper, hold him up, is that number 12. Still. I know you're bouncing off, but just watch, okay, guys and gals? Down on this end, 66. Oh, going again. Coming back out of there in that number 66. And getting our crank right off, 57 with a shot. Hold it!
He's stuck in there.
Round of applause for our fire department. We got 3 or 4 guys getting out of here. Okay, we are going to clear the track. Sit still, sit still. Okay, guys. Randy, they got to move. No, right here. You guys can't stay there. The 2 drivers, they gotta go down.